The pet products industry is exploding with growth, and Pack Machinery has helped a number of companies with automated packaging solutions. See our popular Rollbag R785 bag of variety of pet products. We can help automate the packaging process while protecting product quality and extending shelf life with our vacuum sealers and automatic baggers for pet food, treats, and other pet products. Pet product manufacturers have partnered with Pack to ensure that their products are retail ready. Pack Machinery makes a number of other types of bag sealers for your products. Contact us to upgrade your packaging operation today.